Generator engine starting procedure. For your starting the generator, check that all associated valves are open. Drain the service areas of atomic contamination and water. Check the lubricating while priming pump operate into auto position and some tank oil level by using dipstick. Manually lubricate the fuel pump and governor link and make sure it moves smoothly. Set the remote or local operation selector switch to local position and handle lever start or stop in the stop position. Open the pressure indicator coils of all cylinders. Then, manually turn the flywheel to confirm freewheel condition. Then replace the turning bar to its proper position to engage the limit switch. Hold the handle lever in the stop position. Then press start, switch, pressing for about 2 to 3 seconds for air running or air blow. After that, close the pressure indicator cocks of all cylinders. Then hold the handle lever at the run position and press the start switch, pressing for about 2 to 3 seconds. Then release the switch and turn the handle lever a little higher, then quickly before reaching the red mark until reaching the rated RPM 900, then turn the handle to run. Check that the lock is engaged. After engine is started, check that all parameters, for examples, pressures, temperatures, are normal. Check for any leakages of fuel, oil, air, and etc. And if found, inform the duty engineer. After confirming that all are normal, set the local or remote operation selector to remote position, then apply the load after warming up. After warming up the generator, carry out manual synchronize or manual closed circuit operation. Set the mode select to manual at G/E panel. Set the synchroscope nav and frequency meter to the incoming generator. Manually raise the frequency of generator to be synchronized about slightly higher than the G/E on service, 60 Hz. Confirm the direction of the synchroscope or generator to be synchronized at fast direction. Then about 11 o'clock, slightly pull the ACB controls or synchronav to close. After that, manually adjust the load of pre-generators. After adjusting the unload of all generators, carry out changeover of DO inlet valve to heavy fuel oil valve, both in and out. Open the first and HFO outlet valve, then close the diesel oil outlet valve, then open HFO inlet valve, then close DO inlet valve.